So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jack's webinar today, right? And this will be the our webinar in May. In May 05/13, correct? And okay. So let's start. Okay, I think the first market we're going to cover will be the gold. Okay, the gold has been formed a triangle in a big time frame here. Okay, so our aim is to buy the pullback or sell the pullback. This is the two big plan for the gold recently. And today, and very fortunately, we have this nice structure broken test. Okay, this is a perfect example of how structure works. Okay, because I mentioned structure a lot of times, and we made a lot of money based on structure. Okay, so as you can see, we have this resistance structure. Can you see that? Okay. If you can see this, please reply me by 5. This is previously acting as a resistance, correct? Right. So this will be a very, very nice trade. Because we observe a very, very nice breakout candle. This is a breakout candle. And right now, what is the market doing? Can you give me an answer? Yes, it's retesting, correct? Am I right? It's retesting the structure. So what we have is a nice break and a retest. If the break can, if the retest can sustain above this level, which is 1708, what's going to happen is the price will continue to go up, right? This is what we found a very, very high successful rate patterns. Yeah, a breakout happens, retest, okay, stay above, and we're going to buy. And if the market have another rally, we are going to make money. Okay, so you can buy the gold right now. Okay, this is a very, very nice trade. You can buy the gold right now, and a stop loss below this pin is enough, below this pin bar, the long wick here, okay, which is 1701. And to calculate the position size, which is about almost 90 pips, if 90 pips, a 90 pips risk for a $200, okay, the risk amount, and what is the lot size or the position size? Can you calculate that? Here is a formula, all right? Here is a formula. For example, if we buy now 1709 and we put the stop loss 1701, okay, sorry, it's actually 80 pips, okay? So 80 pips risk. So the first thing, we're going to calculate how much we are going to lose if we trade one lot, okay? So one lot is 100 ounce, okay? So 100 times $8, which is 80 pips, okay, equals to $800. And how much we have? We only have 200 to lose. Therefore, we can trade 200 divided by 800, which is 0.25 lots. Okay, simple. Okay, so here we have this good example of a trade. Okay, we observed the structure was broken, and we have a retest right now in 4-hour chart, and we quickly check what is our entry, which is now with 1709.40. Okay, and we put the stop loss at about 1701.90. Okay, so we are having a 80 pips or $8 risk in distance. And if we trade one lot, we're going to lose about $800, and that is too much for us. Okay, for example, if my account is about 10K US dollar, I only prepared to lose 2% in this single trade, and I use 200 divided by 800 will be 0.25 lot. Okay, and that is going to be our trading plan for tonight. Gold looks forming Gartley. Is valid? Yes. I know what you are coming from. You are saying this is Gartley, right? Yeah. And the Gartley already complete 2 targets. And right now is a time for us to capture the buy. Okay. The Gartley did push the price down. Okay. For 2 targets, the 0.618 has been hit. You can see that. If you measure this, right? The 618 is almost hit. So you can assume that the Gartley has already finished its job, and we are going to buy. Okay, of course, the best place to buy is by the 618. However, due to the price action, it already formed a very long pin bar, so we are going to buy right now. Okay, and put our stop loss below 1701. Right? Is that okay? And our target, okay, will be minimally 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio, which will be, okay, if I'm risking, since I'm risking 80 pips, okay, my TP1 is going to be 2 times of 80 pips, right? Which will be 160 pips. So 1709 plus 16, which is 1725, okay? And that is about the previous high, okay? Which is actually a very, very comfortable level, okay? Because the gold did have some candles consolidating here. Is a high successful rate trade that we're going to capture this gain. And if the target was hit, we are going to win $400. All right, so everyone, do you want to take this trade? If you want, you can trade like this. Okay, I have already plotted all the details for this single trade plan. Okay, aim 1725, which is target. Okay. I don't want you guys to miss the trade because it's really a good plan. It's a breakout and retest. And right now, the price did not go very far yet. So we are actually safe to buy here. Okay, so shall we move on? Okay, so in daily chart, and this is the first step. Okay, this is the first step because we know that if my first target was hit, okay, you can imagine if the first target 1725 is hit, and most likely the gold is going to break out, and it may have another pullback, okay, and then the price will continue rally. And in monthly chart, let me show you the final target. The monthly chart tells me the gold is not going to stop until 1,796. It may punch to this level, okay, push to this level, and then it may have a fallback. All right, because it's still a very, very bullish trend in monthly chart. Also, it's a very good consolidation period in weekly chart. And if the triangle goes up, okay, it will go into 17,900, okay, 1790, 1790. Yeah, you know that of course some students says this is a bad pattern, right? Yeah, but just be careful, okay? Just be careful. The bad patterns still have a very much way to go, okay? It may go to 1,821. This is a bad pattern, right? So yeah, it still have some room for the gold to go up because still the coronavirus is there, and we see there's no you know, curing medicine or any the vaccine coming, and people are still dying. Okay, and there were a lot of people getting affected. The number is still going up. Okay, let's just check the overall numbers. Okay, I think the US have more than 1,220,000 people, 220K. Is that what's the what's the latest number? Anyone? Give me a figure. How much the the people affected in the USA? Above 1 million, right? 1.3 million. Wow. Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, let's just check the. Okay, I'm going to tell you what will happen. Okay, if we apply technical analysis. Okay, for the COVID. Okay, I'm not going. Maybe it's COVID 19. Okay. And don't know whether it can give me the candlestick. Okay, it just looks like a COVID. Okay, let me just check. If I see any okay, good, that's confirmed. Okay, yeah, let's go for this. See what we can do. It's terrible. Okay, yeah, my god, it's like non-stop, right? Every day there's a gap. Okay, 1 million, 1 point. There's no pullback. My god, that's terrible. Yeah, Carlos, thank you. Okay, so there's not even a single pivot. If the confirmed amount can going down for some while, okay, and doing something like this, okay, we may have the first pivot. Okay, but since the number is still going the 1.4 million, that's yeah, you know what is going to happen. So the gold still have some room to go up, right? Better than Bitcoin. Correct. This is all-time high. The confirmed people, right? Okay. So the gold, just get ready for the fly to happen. I'm thinking the gold may go up, right? Because the dollar is in a very is still sideways here. Okay, sideways here. No direction yet. However, the the Fed says it has the room to go for negative interest rate. So if the Fed really choose that way, I think the dollar may fall. Okay, because the dollar is in a very high location. Okay, and dollar has completed the weekly pattern already. You can see that. Okay, yeah, it touched the 86. So 102. 102 is a very strong resistance level. I think it's hard for the dollar to break up. Okay, it will fall down, maybe pull back a minimum 618. So what I'm thinking, the dollar is going to go back to 94. That is a potential target for the dollar. Gold is going up now, Jack. Yeah, good. So have you entered? Give me 6 if you entered. 6. Have you bought the gold? Yeah, very nice. Okay, so this is the first trade I'm giving you guys. Okay, and thank you for coming for this webinar. If you listen to me, yeah, good. We already win $3, right? 30 pips move. Very good. So you see the professional way of trading. Okay, we find the pattern, we spot the pattern, and we trade in a professional way. Okay, you have to be acting, you know, like a professional trader. You know where's the entry, where's the stop, and where's the target, and why you're going to trade. How do you think? Yeah, why do you think this trade is going to be winning trade? What is your edge? What is your, you know, your power? Okay. Very nice, and congratulations for those guys, for you. Okay, congratulations. This is a very nice trade. You think 1720 is a resistance point? Well, yeah, I do agree that this place is about to give some resistance. However, it's not going to it may not reject the price because this place has been tested 3 times. Okay, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. So if the price really go beyond 1723, I think the bulls will try very hard to get rid of this place and to make the triangle breakout happen. Okay, because all the sellers we're going to be stop out. Okay, there will be a lot of stop loss set above 1723. Okay, so once the stop loss was hung, the price may easily goes up. Okay, yeah, 30 minutes inside bar breakup, that give you another good time to buy, right? That's why you can put your stop loss like in 1706. So you can minimize your stop loss from 1701 to 1706. Okay, only 30 pips move. All right. Okay, let's move on to oil. The oil have a nice rally, and oil is also in a triangle consolidation. And I think the oil may break up because this is a bullish flag, something like this. Okay, it may break up. So I think the oil is still going to buy the low. Okay, buy the low. The hardest time, the darkest time has already finished. Okay, we know the oil break to $6 or $10, but it forms a double bottom here. Okay, forms a double bottom, and I said we want to keep our eye to buy the low of the oil, right? Now there's a peanut here. Okay, this is a continuation pattern in daily chart, and I think the oil is going to go back to like 30, 32, like this level. It may even go back to 40. So I think the oil still have some room. So do not sell. Do not sell. You should focus on buy the low. Okay, follow the trend. Okay, follow the trend. 1 hour chart. Yeah, the oil have also very good support. You can see a lot of buyers coming from 24.79. Okay, a lot of testing and the price going up. They make a higher lows. So this is can tell us the trend is really going up. Okay, and right now the oil is shooting like a rocket. Okay, it breaks two, 3 pin bars, breaks 3 wicks. Okay, I think the oil, yeah, maybe you can try to find a pullback to buy. Right, SPX super bullish. Well, I think the S&P I'm still going to short because let me just show you one trade that I have been doing. This is a trade that I traded last week, which I can let me show you. Okay, let me show you. So change the new. Okay, yeah. Okay, now you can see that. So this is the trade I'm holding, which will be okay, this account. Okay, it's a live account, and let me show you where did I sell the S&P. Okay, all right, here it goes. Boom. All right, you can see I have a sell. Okay, I have a sell at 2934. Okay, and then this morning in Asia time, which is about 10 hours ago, I took some profit at here about 2826, and my profit now is still $1,700. Okay, this is my last position. Okay, I have already won about 7K today. You can see the. Let me just show you the. Yeah, this is for today. Okay, so you can see this is S&P. What I win here, I have closed one lot and a 0.5 lot here. Okay, 7K, and then I have some quick trade for gold, and now that today the overall win is about a 7K, 7.6K dollar, right? So it's a very fruitful profit for me. Okay, And right now I'm going to sell the S&P. Okay, I'm going to sell the S&P high in a pullback. What I'm thinking is I'm going to use the 618, okay, which is here, which is this level, which is structure. So about 2,900. Yep. Okay, 2,900. So I'm going to sell limit. Oops, not 10 lots, but another 1 lot here. Okay, I'm going to sell limit here. I will drag a little bit slow, lower than the 618. Okay, so 2899.25 will be my entry. Okay, I'm going to wait for the price to come back to here and sell high. And bearish bet at 2936. Well, yeah, it has the potential of this bet. I agree with you. And I'm going to use the 618 and the 886 for both entries. Yeah. So generally speaking, I'm going to short the S&P whenever the pullback comes to 2,900. I'm going to short it. Okay. Of course, for tonight, if you want to have a very quick buy, it's okay. Yeah. Like Nicholas took a buy from here. I think you already win some money, right? Yeah. So you can take half profit and let the rest trade go. Okay. I think it may cover 2,900. This place, this resistance here. And I think that would be a very, very good level for you to take a short. Okay, good. So let's move on. So S&P, okay, pay your attention at 2,900 level, this place for a sell, okay? You may have a very nice entry. And in daily chart, I think anyone remember what I'm describing the market in 2 weeks ago? I said we have to observe this channel, right? Correct? So everyone now we can see this channel has been broken, okay? This wedge was broken, okay? This downside move already happens. This big red candle tells me it failed to create that high. So we mark a sell here and a sell here. And what we're going to do is we are anticipating the market breaks down the channel, breaks down the wedge, pull back, you want to sell, and the long-term target will still be very, very far away, about 2,484. Okay, about 2,500 level. This is what I'm targeting here. Okay, I'm targeting here, this place. So if you want to sell, you sell to 2,500. It's very, very profitable trade. So give me 5 if you understand this trade. Okay, do not waste this space. Do not waste this profit. Okay, if you have a sell in a high place, trying to hold to 2,500, it will make you rich. Okay, even by trading only like 0.5 lots, it's going to give you like 20K or 30K profit. This is money, guys. All right, so move on. Euro dollar. Euro dollar find some support from 1.07. I think last week some students here buy from here, correct? Make some money. Okay, now you can buy it again because the euro dollar is sideways anyway, and the downside risk is limited. So you just put your stop loss below 1.07. I think it's okay. Just put stop loss below here. Trying to make use of this structure to buy. I think the euro may break the triangle here. Okay, after the triangle is broken, it may have another rally to 1.12. Okay? And go for sterling. Sterling, I'm bearish. Okay, remember last week I said sterling I'm bullish. Okay, but in this week, since the sterling already created a lower high, this is a lower high. Okay, this is a lower high, and I think sterling is going to break down because right now the euro is at here. The euro is in a low place. Euro is about here, right? But the sterling is still up there. So there's a imbalance between euro and sterling. I think the sterling will come down, okay, to testing 1.20. However, let me just highlight, okay, if the sterling did go to 1.20 or 1.18, okay, find some price action to buy from here will be a very, very good idea. It's just like oil, okay? So let me just compare this with oil and you know what I'm talking. Okay? So you know the oil has testing the $6 here, right? Okay, so you can imagine that this downside wave is same as this one, okay, and you can think this rally is become this rally, okay, and we are going to wait for a second drop, okay, to buy, and you may get this. Understand? All right, so this is a typical way that how do we trade a very, very good buy, a very, very good position after a long-term downtrend was broken. Okay, you wait for the price to go up first, the first wave, and you trade the pullback of the second wave. Okay, so do not waste this area, 1.20 or 1.88, 1.18. The sterling, we can buy the low at here, which will give you a very nice risk and reward ratio. Right, and right now you can sell. Right now you can sell because it breaks the neckline, right? So why not? We take a sell first. You can see this is a firm breakout. The candlesticks was down, okay, closed down below 1.22, and can we sell? Can we sell this breakdown and pullback? We sell first, right? We sell, and we're going to took this profit of this downside move. Okay, you're trying to capture this move first, and then we're going to buy at a lower price here to capture another wave of rally. You get it? This is what we're going to do. Okay, so a short first, and then close your short at about 1.20 or 1.18. Then you're going to trade a buy from here to capture another second rally. The second rally is going to be very, very likely a equal distance from the first wave, which will be an ABCD move in potential. Let me just show you, okay? Boom. So the target of the buy will be about 1.31, and that will be exactly right at the previous high. Okay, so listen, we want to take a sell first, and then we want to take a buy to capture the both wave. Isn't that a beautiful trade? Do you agree? Do you agree? Okay, price rally, price have a correction, okay, and we'll take a sell because the neckline was broken, the structure was broken. We'll take a sell first, okay, we win this money first, and then we just take another buy and aim 1.31. Wow, perfect. Okay, and let's see what will happen. Okay. Maybe in the next webinar we are going to have this buy already kicked in, and yeah, I hope that everyone can take this trade and become rich. Daniel John said, nice, yeah. So just you can take a screenshot, okay, and save to your computer, and just to compare the market, see what it will do, whether it will follow my path of the prediction. If it did, okay, you know when to pull the trigger, right? You can sell right now, and you can ready to take your profit of your short and change to a long, and took another buy until 1.31. Okay, that would be a good trade. And similarly to sterling yen, okay, in last webinar I told you guys to buy from here, right? 1.129. It's getting closer, okay? So you can still put your buy limit. Okay, get ready to put your buy limit about a 128.48. I think that will be a perfect time to buy the sterling yen. Okay, everyone should look at this trade. Okay, it may even going down. Okay, but I don't care. I want to buy in first. Okay, and I may have another entry at the 126. Generally speaking, okay, I will make sure that I'm going to buy at this zone because this is all-time low. 123 all-time low. The sterling yen has never, touched this place since 2012. Okay, even the 217. Okay, it has the low at a 124, but now it has another low at a 123. Correct, and it's right in the previous demand zone, and this will going to be a very, very nice trade. Okay, so we just wait for another sell and a buy. Okay? It may happen in this way. So buy the low and make use of this pin bar. This long pin bar tells you a lot of people are buying at 124. Gold is flying. Wow, woohoo! Are you happy? Yeah, it's really perfect. Perfect. We bought from 1709 and now it's 1713. You earned about 40 pips, right? Good. Yeah. For daytime, for day trade, you can already take some profit. Okay, you can take half profit to reduce your risk and to make sure you have some winning of your, good day. Okay, make sure you have some winning. Money comes to our pocket, right? And then we may find another opportunity to buy the pullback. Maybe we pull back to this place like 1710 again and buy again. Okay, this is how we trade. Because just now we used the 1 hour chart, it has a very nice pullback at 1709, right? Okay, boom. Okay, 60 pips gain. Wow. Yes, sir. So can I ask you what is your feeling now? Are you feeling good? Yeah, if you're feeling good, don't waste your feeling. Okay, take some profit so that wow, good. Yeah, I made some money, and I'm going to have a risk-free trade to enjoy more profit. Okay, because definitely you don't want to see the price just turning down and eat all your profit, right? So yeah, take some profit first so that you can have a very good mood today. Is that cool? Is that cool? Right? Good. Okay, let's go on to Aussie. Aussie dollar. Triangle again. Okay. Since the bearish candle happens, I think you can take a sell if the breakout happens and aim the price to 0.62. Because the Aussie has a very, very little correction. I think the Aussie is going to pull back to 0.62 because this will be a 38.2% retracement. I think the Aussie is going back to here. So yeah, if this triangle was break down, okay, sell the pullback for Aussie dollar. Dollar Canadian still sitting above 1.38. Okay, so right now it's really very, very boring. Okay, you can see the price is getting lower and lower. Okay, maybe it's good to buy the dollar Canadian at 1.39, or you can just sell at 1.41 because this is sideways market. So for sideways market, we want to buy the low and sell the high. Since the oil is still not making any direction, I think the dollar Canadian, you can make some money from this range. Okay, it's range trading. Sterling Swiss franc. Okay, sell. Right, this will be a quick trade because the sterling Swiss franc has just break down. You can see that. Okay, so you can do a sell immediately. Okay, now it's pulling back, right? I think the sterling Swiss is going to retest 1.16. That will give you a 200 pips gain. Okay, aim 1.16 order 618. Yeah, basically just to follow the same plan as sterling yen or sterling dollar, just to make sure you earn this short first and then you're going for the buy. Bitcoin hit 10K. I think we already made a lot of money for this trade because the Bitcoin the idea that I post in Trading View is to buy from here. Okay, buy from here. And another buy is buy from here. So all the longs went very nicely to 10K. You should take some profit. And now the price coming down, may have another correction. So the next good entry will be 8,000 or 7,800. It will be this place. So watch for this zone to buy, or you can watch for this channel or correction, maybe like this. You may have another flag. Okay, and the structure is really still there. Okay, this previous resistance breakout becomes support. Okay, pin bar, inside bar breaks up. So all this tells me the Bitcoin may have another rally. So focus on to buy the pullback. Aussie dollar already answered the question. Aussie Canadian do not trade. Okay, because Oni says tell something about Aussie Canadian. Okay, let me just show you the chart. Let me show you the chart first. Okay, my suggestion is do not trade this. Do not trade this pair. Okay, because this pair, the Canadian, the pips value is low, and it's really have a lot of noise because you can see that all the candlesticks, it's going up, going down, going up, going down. A lot of shoots up, right? So you're going to be easily stopped out by the abnormal behavior of all the Canadian. Okay. Okay, of course, we know that the Aussie is strong recently and the Canadian is weak. So you may have another a good rally of the Aussie Canadian. Okay, but why not you consider to trade Aussie US dollar or sterling Aussie or some other pairs, because Aussie Canadian are both reflecting the commodity currencies. Okay, so they are moving in a strange behavior. You don't know when the Aussie is going strong or when the Canadian is strong. Let me just show you another website. Okay, this website is called finwiz.com. Okay. You go to finwiz.com and you select Forex. Okay, you select Forex. Oops, the website was down. Okay, and you choose performance. Okay, let me just show you why I do not recommend you trade Aussie versus Canadian. Okay, you check the daily chart, you can see the top gainer of this day, okay, is Canadian is first, Aussie is the second. Okay, they are very, very close, correct? And if we took in weekly chart, still these two pairs. Oh, sorry. You see, the Aussie Canadian are the negative gain, but they're still getting very close. Okay, monthly chart. This is a difference. Okay, so Aussie is number one currency. Canadian is the last three. Okay, year to date. Canadian is here, Aussie is here. So what can this relative performance tells us is you can see the Aussie, Kiwi, Canadian, these three pairs. Okay, please ignore sterling, because sterling is have this pre-exit issue. That's why the sterling has a lot of fall. Okay, but can you see that normally the Canadian, Aussie, Kiwi are the three pairs that are, you know, it's either they are all very weak, or they are going to be all very strong. Can you see that? If you can understand this, please give me one. Okay, so that's why I do not use to pick the pairs between these three. Okay, like Aussie Canadian, or Aussie Kiwi, or Kiwi Canadian, or, you know, yeah, do not trade the cross pair between these three, because they are moving, they are not going to get relative big difference. They are moving similar directions. Okay, but you can consider choose Canadian yen, sterling yen, Aussie yen, or Kiwi yen. That's okay. You can also choose Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, sterling dollar. Okay, because when dollar index has a very strong move, all the major pairs will fall, will go up, right? So what I'm recommending is try not to trade Aussie Canadian unless you have a opportunity that you think you're not going to miss. For example, here, okay, you think, the Aussie Kiwi is at a very all-time low, 0.80. Let me just buy. But can you choose to buy the Aussie yen? Maybe get it is even better, right? Okay, so think smart how you can be benefit from the pairs that has a relative strong performance, not a similar performance. Okay. Let me check. What's the other question? Dow Jones, right? Dow Jones. Okay. Let's go for Dow Jones. Right. Dow Jones sell. Okay, it's a sell for sure, because I have tell you guys I want to sell the Dow Jones from $2 25K. Okay, it almost hit. So Dow Jones sell. Right? You can see the price higher high, and now it's coming a lower high, and it's going to break down. Okay, you will find the neckline is here. If the Dow Jones can break down, it may go to 21,000, which is here. So try your best to capture this gain. All right. Starting nice fall. Wow, good. We are on the fire. Yeah, I think it will fall more. Wow, good. So yeah, I think our plan is working very nice. Correct. I said sell sterling first, and then we'll buy from 1.119. Right. Okay, so I think time is up here. We have already covered all the markets, and yeah, hope you guys can make same profit as me, or even better than me. Okay, yeah, because I think the market is not so hard to trade if you have a good system to follow, if you have a good way to identify those profitable patterns. Because the patterns can give you a lot of good opportunities. It will help you to reduce the risk, enhance your profit, and make sure you do not risk 2% one single trade. I think Nicholas has been doing very well, correct? Nicholas? Yeah, so remember this good rhythm, okay? Remember how you make money, how you make a steady income in the last few months, okay? Memorize this feeling, okay? And continue to trade like this, okay? Do not risk all your money in one single trade. Do not add on to those losing trade. Okay, find good patterns. Make sure your entry is better than everyone else. I think, yeah, if you keep doing the right thing, the results will take care of itself. Torben says only 20 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm very sorry because my VPN get disconnected just now, so I'm not able to give their information on Facebook. Yeah, I will try to make another. But normally my webinar will come to on a Wednesday evening, Singapore time, 10 p.m. Okay, just remember 10 p.m. is a starting time. Yeah, I will upload the YouTube as soon as possible. Yeah, you will find my YouTube. Just go to youtube.com/Projack. You can find all my videos. Okay. Yeah, I will. Yes, I do. Yeah, it's really funny to answer you like this. Yes, I do. Will you? Yes, I do. Covered. Yeah, it's all covered. Will the Bitcoin go to 200,000? Wow, that's really beyond the imagination. Wow, I think it may go to like 14K or 16K first. Okay, but 20K is a very high place. It's just like gold. You can see when gold already touched to $1,900, right? 10 years passed, it never comes back to this level. So it's hard for Bitcoin to make another rally beyond 20K, I think, in a soon future. Maybe after like 30 years or 50 years, I don't know. Because the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency still have some problems to be solved, right? You have to understand how cryptocurrency work. And I think the transfer speed of Bitcoin is still quite low. That's why we have another like the BCH or ETH, right? To a lot of people are doing some uh, solutions for to get rid of those shortfall, okay, of Bitcoin. But from technically speaking, I think the value of the Bitcoin will be stabilized about 10K per coin is acceptable. But if the Bitcoin goes too fast, like 20K or 30K, a lot of normal people will be trapped, just like last time. Okay, so if the Bitcoin really want to going up, it has to going up in a very slow way, very slow way. Okay, not something like this. Okay, you can see the year like this. Okay, rally from 2 to 10, and then very big player comes, the value really shoots up because that's some like bombs or like innovation happens. Okay, and this is abnormal. Okay, in my feeling, if the bullish market like this is good, like this no good, rally too fast, a lot of people have to buy at a very expensive price, and if the price fall, they are going to be wiped out. Okay, so yeah, that's my that's my feeling. Okay, so buy the low is okay. Yeah, you can keep your position like 4K or 5K. You can keep some real Bitcoin. Okay, make sure you have the Bitcoin wallet. You save this money. Okay, and just hold it for value investing purpose. Okay, but if you want to trade Bitcoin, you have to use the patterns. Okay, like the harmonic patterns. Okay, like the supply and demand. Okay, like the structure test. Okay, you have to make some good strategies to trade Bitcoin. Tether just printed 700 mid UST. They used to buy Bitcoin with it. Pumping BTC. What do you think? Wow. If everyone knows it's pumping BTC, I think I will be worried. Yeah, I will be worried. Yeah. because the Bitcoin is limited supplied, correct? So if some people are pumping the BTC price, and what's the purpose of this? Are they going to sell higher to other people? Okay, and why should this happen? Okay, because the Bitcoin is like decentralized. The whole idea is about decentralized, right? But if the Tether or the USDT comes to to control the price of the Bitcoin, that's something not right. Good. Yeah, sell against dollar is okay. Yeah, because I think the dollar index is going down. Okay, but you have to understand the value of the Bitcoin. Why does the price going up or going down? Correct. I think right now for this year, 10K is already hit. It's hard for the Bitcoin to go beyond that, but we may find it going to 13K or 14K after the breakout. So right now we do not want to gamble. Okay, you can wait for the price to either break up and pull back buy, or you choose to buy even lower, like 7K. That's okay. So buy the low, ready to going up, or make sure the trend is still there, break another high, buying the low. Okay. So fundamental is one thing, and you still need to go into the chart patterns to find your entry. That's my suggestion. All right. So, all right, that's all for today. Yeah, if you want to learn from me, you can go to my website of harmonicasia.com. You can find out what I'm doing to help those new traders. I have a very full-featured course which has already benefited more than 1,000 traders. Okay, so you can join my course and join my students club. Okay. Make sure that you have a better understanding of my webinar and have better eyes of spotting the opportunities. Just like Nicholas, just like Yasser, just like Madan. Okay, they are now very professional now. Okay, they have a very good discussion of the trade going today. Every day I can see the discussion in the group. They're really doing very good. Okay, I think that's the purpose of education. That's the purpose of my course. Okay, it's trying to give you a whole trading system that you can benefit in a lifetime, so that you can trade whatever pairs, whatever stocks markets, whatever crypto markets, and you will be safe to buy the low and sell the high. You won't chase a price. You want to get in the trap, right? That's enough for me. Okay, I will feel very happy for that. Yeah, good. So continue making money, Nicholas. Okay, continue making money like this. So see you next time. Plan your trade and trade your pen. This is Jack. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.